Have you ever had unexpected guests and not being able to serve them a chilled drink?
Oh no!
Introducing the InnoChiller, the portable drink chiller. Whether your guests are in the mood for a cold beer or a chilled glass of wine, the InnoChiller can have it ready in no time. There's nothing worse than a warm beer on a hot summer day. Maybe your wife forgot to fill up the fridge or you simply ran out of cold ones. No worries. Use the InnoChiller to quickly cool down your beverages. It holds up to 6 standard beer cans, fits all freezers, and it's jolly easy to use. What about the special celebration that requires the champagne you never keep in your fridge? Fear not. The InnoChiller's compartment is big enough for that too. It'll even make a tray of ice cubes for your drinks with the optimized ice cube tray, which is included of course. The InnoChiller works by utilizing the effect of wind chill, which is the same effect as you get when you walk outside on a cold and windy day. This effect is ensured by using forced convection through the InnoChiller compartment by the means of a fan which creates super high airspeed. No matter what you intend to use the InnoChiller for, it's easy and fast to set up, simply by choosing your preferred program. After placing beverages or food in the InnoChiller, you simply put it in your freezer and press the start button. The powerful fan will increase the heat transfer coefficient and speed up the cooling process. After a short while, an alarm will sound and the fan will stop, and hooray, the celebrations can begin. Facts: 3 cans program, 9 minutes. 6 cans program, 12 minutes. Wine program, 11 minutes. Ice cubes, 30 minutes. The InnoChiller is made from the very best components, including a powerful blower and batteries with the highest capacity available. This ensures a high-quality product that will never let you down. Even if the batteries are flat, the chiller can run directly from the power supply. Bring the InnoChiller to the table with its marvelous Scandinavian design while you enjoy a chilled drink with your friends.